Let's read a book. This one is called Apples for All. Ben the monkey sat up in a tree eating apples. Then Ben picked up some apples and climbed over a fence to head home. On his way, Ben met Frederick the fawn and Peppermint the pony. Ben shared some apples with them. "Yum," they said. "We wish we could climb over the fence and get some apples." Ben had an idea. "Let's plant a tree here, then there will be apples for all." He dug a hole and buried an apple core in the soil. He showed Peppermint how to water it every day. He showed Frederick how the tree was starting to grow. Up, up the young tree grew as tall as Frederick. Then it grew as tall as Peppermint. Frederick and Peppermint watered the young tree together. The tree grew taller and taller. It was so tall that only Ben could reach its top. The big tree flowered and was filled with many red apples. They invited their friends to an apple party. Ben climbed up the tree, picked the apples, and threw them to his friends. Ben shook the branches, and more apples dropped to the ground. Everyone enjoyed the apples. They were so happy. There were apples for all. The end. Bye.